Welcome back. This afternoon, nice and quiet, but weather impact for your Saturday. We are expecting those scattered storms really all day tomorrow. But this afternoon, clouds are starting to thicken up. This is a sign of our storm system that is inbound. We are still dry, though, across the area and fairly comfortable. Temperatures warming up. We're in the 70s on both sides of the lake. Fairly uniform in the low 70s, but you do jump up to 76 in Bogalusa, 75 down in Raceland this afternoon. So for the rest of today, doesn't look like anything major, at least during the daytimes. We'll stay in the 70s. But once we enter this evening, I will throw in a chance for a couple of showers. If you are heading out for a late dinner, it might not be a bad idea to have an umbrella with you just in case. Anything that falls is going to be rather light, though, with maybe just some sprinkles. Now, once we get past midnight, a couple showers moving in as well, and so you may have some rain later tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Here are the clouds thickening up. Our parent storm system, though, is still traveling through Arizona and New Mexico, so that will be heading our direction through tonight and through tomorrow, which is going to give us a chance for rain really all day long on Saturday. So we'll go with a roughly 60% chance of scattered storms passing through the area Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, even still some rain Saturday evening. Good news for Sunday and parades is that the rain looks like it's mostly going to be done. Just a few lingering sprinkles. Temperatures a little cooler in the 60s, and we'll throw in a little bit of a wind, but it doesn't look like any major problems for parades on Sunday, whether you're out there for the truck parades in the morning or maybe the dog parades in the afternoon down here for Barkus. Now, tomorrow's rain chances roughly 40 to 60%, kind of on and off as we go through the day. So every single hour will feature a chance for rain. I do think there will be mini breaks mixing in here and there, but at times some intense showers, maybe even a few strong storms. Temperatures mostly in the low 70s tomorrow. Here's the threat for severe weather, the corridor from Texas all the way through our state into Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida. A very low risk. We're talking about a level 1 out of 5. Many storms are going to be behaving. Just some showers with some claps of thunder, but every now and then an intense storm with some hail, gusty winds, or even an isolated tornado. Now, when you break down the severe weather threat by category, the chances of you seeing a tornado tomorrow, and we classify this by percentages, is roughly 2%. Now, on any given day, it's 0, so 2% is higher than 0, but the chances are still fairly isolated for a tornado. The wind threat and the hail threat, you could see a little bit higher at 5%, and so 1 or 2 storms may produce some of those, but it's not going to be every single storm, that's for sure. So as we go through tonight, a couple showers. Notice into tomorrow morning, showers continue to build in. A few intense thunderstorms as we get into the afternoon, on and off as we go throughout the day, and you can see there even into the evening, a couple showers before things wind down on Sunday. Sunday, the winds do pick up some, but I don't think this is going to cause us big problems for parades. 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts on Sunday, about as strong as they get. Just a reminder, daylight saving time also starts Sunday at 2 a.m. while you're asleep late Saturday night. Sunrise will be at 7:16 on Sunday, and then your sunset is after 7 o'clock officially, and it's that way all the way through the summer months. So our 7-day forecast, once we get past the mess tomorrow, looking great early next week. Really starting to warm up as we head towards the middle of next week, near 80 by next Thursday with a little chance of rain. Our marine forecast is still looking good today, but tomorrow you'll be watching for storms. Sunday will be a bit choppier as those winds do start to pick up. Pressure's falling, by the way, at 30 inches. High tide, that's going to be happening later on this afternoon, and your low tide, that happened earlier this morning.